Nobody told them they had to commit the crime that they committed. They committed that crime. It was their choice. They knew what was right. They knew what was wrong. And there are consequences to bad behavior. It's as simple as that. And I believe that as a society, as a state, we need to stop making excuses for people making bad choices. And I believe that when people make bad choices, the people that have made the good choices shouldn't have to foot the bill for their bad choices. And you know what? There's going to be people that do get sent to prison that are going to have the finances to pay for it. I don't care if it means that people lose whatever it is that they have in order to pay for their stay there. And I guarantee you that it will cause people to think more before they make bad choices. And so there's there's a whole lot more that can go to that. So I just wanted to just share a couple of examples of how I believe that people need to be more responsible for themselves rather than everybody else being responsible